Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm all ears"? What do you think that means? Do they suddenly have lots of ears? Of course not. Let's find out what this common English idiom really means. Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of all ears. Tell me about your trip. I'm all ears. The students were all ears when the teacher announced a surprise field trip. If you have a better idea, I'm all ears. Everyone was all ears as the firefighter described the rescue. My friend said she had exciting news, so I was all ears. What do all of these examples have in common? Let's look at a hint. Imagine someone leaning forward, making eye contact, and listening carefully to every word being said. They aren't talking. They're focused completely on listening. All ears means listening very carefully and paying full attention to someone. When you say, "I'm all ears," you're telling someone that you're interested in what they have to say and are ready to listen. This idiom is very common in everyday English conversations. Here are 5 similar expressions that native English speakers use. I'm listening. Go ahead, I'm listening. Pay attention. Please pay attention to the instructions. Hang on every word. The audience hung on every word of the speaker's presentation. Listen closely. Listen closely, because this information will be on the test. Give someone your full attention. During the meeting, I gave the manager my full attention. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence using all ears? Post it in the comments below. We'd love to read your examples. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more English idioms? Check out our idiom playlist and subscribe for more English lessons, example sentences, and vocabulary videos.